다 드링기 되라다 다 드링디 다 예시야다 니마제 말음집다 다들이 지게기를 가지고 최세를 제하기 니마제 말음디임베레.
Today is the last day of my teaching. This is coming up to the last day of the teaching for the Fordham students.
다들이야 지단시에는 단동이 디지지 시야르지 망보지도 시에는 다이베니아 간에 시에브 점시기디 페도시라요 말에 제산 디윤전 데네다 무튜네 당번에 제시급은 신 드린랑베 니마제마제 참샤샤나 가서래 마도 시규의 데지를 두어디에다 시에는 조스게 유서 말에 다 간다량 다리 잡지 창고를 시기 초기네 아니 닌자만 베르진리아 가주 남버제 드린 유산에 가상 우만에 니마 담변이문에 그나 소리야 쉬야 주문하신 근데 좀 붙이 이미나 구제 시불이야 아니 다 시루기 냠레낭제 딘제 딱 가르래 구제 미버로 딘제미 인두산에 루치게베 송기 수르베 송기 수르 참모를 지미는데 그런 소리야 펜도 신부 중 그래서 말없지 대가라 이제 신부 주대에
There are many things that I still have to say, but from one way of looking at it, just merely saying something orally is not always so helpful. And so for that reason, we will continue as planned, and today will be the last day of the teaching. Though there are many things that could be said, maybe there's not much point in saying them right now. And so today we have Kyabje Trungpa Rinpoche has been giving his annual seminar, international seminar, that has been going on for many days. As I said on the first day, Rinpoche is someone who has really spent his entire life practicing the Dharma through both the the teachings of Scripture and of practice. And so now, at this point in Rinpoche's life, I feel that if even we hear just a tiny amount of Rinpoche's speech, that it will be very beneficial. And I truly believe this.
Maybe the Mac need close. 나들이 인주산에 안에 다는 신들이 안 다는 신들이 림부치기 공예 첨부 교연체 당번나 가장 세바 중에 님들의 표제 중에 님들이야 꿀의 첨부 교연체 에너지 치릅낭 아는 아람베지 세르모요하기 도움이 가신 분제 다는 신기 내 다는 시 긴두 탐지에게냐 대신도 도움이 가신 분제 다는 대 배배지 가서래 최이 정보 넘버 중에 이비냐 대신도 도움이 문제 다들 저런 하는 게 뭐네 두 시샤인 다 마신 아랑 외에 오 가상우마 쉬는 신 다로 체르체르 두고 아래 대비냐 다도 봐도 뭐지 템바든 드베 튼 디첸도 삼바르지 이즈바르지 이즈바 삼바르다지 뭐네 튜니 여러분 디총도 삼바르 이렇게 미세게 민도 배는 장왕가마 뭐 군진 고마대주 구진 자발이야 제비미나 공로 충을 뒤네 대바든 저에 돼 랍제 제네 지티 게데 버경가로 수스레 아데수르 제유 뉴산당 앙디 가주에다 네 까마버는 시치규도 파스 수세레 까마벤 제팅베 가주에바지 compare 지아데 파스 수세레 따임비네 디기베지 젠장저버지 디제순 조거버지 에게 가주에 수르 체윤주산 다대 야버지 제도 매버스도 다 인비네야 다 너무推荐 가리빈나 응게 레이네 장도 다 조조디 상계의 전주선바 라버도 되네 양왕감바 군진 고만남게네 베지 투 자와 첨부 당 인지 첨부를 때네 당 알아내 미세 가수에다 심 템바던 저에 된시아 고급을 붙이 근데 중요하래 되네 인주산에 디균전 된다 미망부지기 미망부지랑 아랑 지 다데네고리아 고호여 되지랑 안에 다나신게 펜도여 되버지 소다르도 수여 인두산에 디균전 되는 아랑이냐 마단도 못위지네 가지 에너지 가수에 지딩 감수 에너지 가수에 못위네지 sombre 네네 에네 지 덴드르트 주투야게 랑기나 모놈 슈유스
And Rinpoche has really been going through great efforts during this teaching. The other day, on the 15th of the Tibetan month, the full moon, Rinpoche went to great effort to do the long life puja and the long life offering. He prayed so that I might have long life. In addition, all of the members of the Sangha made great aspirations and prayers that I would live long, as did all of my Dharma friends who are here. And so I would like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Actually, from my own perspective, as I said the other day, I'm growing older and older, but I have this feeling that up until now, I still have not really done anything to be satisfied with, or I haven't really done much to bring benefit to the Buddhism and sentient beings. When I look at the activities of the previous Karmapas, they all, from a very early age, did vast activity on the benefit, for the benefit of the teachings and for the benefit of sentient beings. And so here, my feeling is that whether or not, putting aside whether or not I am the Karmapa, or putting aside whether or not I can be compared to the other Karmapas, but as a follower of the Karmapas, I still do not really feel that I have been able to do the same amount of benefit for beings and the teachings. But be that as it may, because of the blessings, either because it is my previous karma, or if it is perhaps the blessings of the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas, and especially the previous Karmapas, they have taken care of me with their compassion and their great affection, and given me in particular this special opportunity to be able to do something for the benefit of beings and the Buddhist teachings. And so for that reason, there are many people who express that I am necessary, that they feel like I am necessary and that I am of benefit to them. And so for that reason, I have the aspiration that I may be able to stay in this world realm and be able to accomplish something of benefit for Buddhism and for sentient beings.
That name that demand loja kasane da ma bushta shim da xian laba de mugu da chelue dang so gi yuan den gi gembe unze da gin dun gi xie da wa de bu lama sangge ngui gi chile ba yin be te nam gi lama da gin dun gi xiao do la nam gu wa na se jun bu lu ding na din zhe le so nam che wa zhu gu mi yong nya be ga zhou da je de xia cha bu wa so ser ma song ge ba do bu wan di ke che ngu se jun gi lo man zhom dun gi ze be du kong gi xue ma song we qi tuen ze ba da nen zhou ba chen bu chou yue lian la da du gue jiang lo ma xian gi ngu du yi dam ge la xie si ba da nen zhou gi wen zhou mi le kar gu do cha na chan na tue zhe lan zhou so gi lu yu ma de so zhong na mi ji ge wa ga do na rang kang la na wa ma da wa ge wa yu gi cha chou xie gen xun su yin jiang de la chou sha ni ring da chak dang ge yu du mi zong wa za we la ma da yi dam du gom de suen de de ba da te nian ba zhou ba ke che do na chok we chue du de na cho tu ba da ri dong ge chue na ri tu ba ni la ka la ye me be cho na de na cho tu ba ri la de na ri tu ba na me lung ge la tong tu ba shi ge de de zam ra ya thal imi che sam ba re la tong wa khal che.
Perhaps it's best if I just read a little bit. In addition, those umzes and servants of the Sangha who are senior to you in terms of precepts and qualities such as devotion, giving up this life, and so forth, are the ones who actually perform the activity of the Lama. So whenever they ask you to serve the Lama and the Sangha, even if it is just a small task, think that there is no greater way for you to accomplish merit with this body, and do it joyfully, striving at it until your flesh and blood turn yellow. In the past, when Dron Tunpa was a student of Setsun, he took the place of a dog protecting livestock, and the great yogi always put Atisha to work. But both of them saw the deity's face before other students did. If the Lord of Yogis, Milarepa, had finished building the 9-story tower, he would have achieved liberation on hearing. There are many stories such as these, but it is difficult for those who have accomplished little merit to believe them. In brief, whoever the monks and friends, companions, junior and senior, in this place that arise out of imperception may be, do not hold them as objects of attachment or aversion in groups of those close or distant. Instead, meditate on them as your root Lama and the Yidam deity. Recite supplications and sing their praises. Neither being in a community when you are staying in a community, nor being in the mountains when you are in an empty mountains, should be more difficult than the other. If you are in a community, you need to be able to be in the community.
It's same, it's meaning.
Neither is not one should not be easier than the other or more difficult than the other. They should be the same. If you are in a community, you need to be able to be in the community when you are in the community, able to be in the mountains when you are in the mountains, able to be wherever the wind carries you. You should give a thought or two as to whether that is too much for you.
Okay. Dona Sunyum Joy to Midava, the Dunga, the Tomba, the Damia, the Chanjuki, some the Mugu, the Semeshi, the Majava Chashi. Take corne, Sotre, the Vemba Kainga, Lugi Samdang, Lune, Nag, Maja, the Sunday Bigi Mugu, the Shanlo, Shersuna, Gomta, the Gumshin Parne, says ever Dijigla Keche. Singy Bagun and Denkiwa, Luri Sewashi Yogi. Te Sunday Dimbe, Nup Chage, the town, Tunji Madoba. Yuma Sheba, Noah, Nurua, Yoa, Darwa, Misuba, Mijemba, Jishin, Dijemeva, Jida Kandala Tuba, so on the body Keche. Sola Shubanam Gindun Dugebe, Danam Chuana, Tamsi Church in duty, Sugar, some Dumburg, Lago Tabacido San, Lutambro San, Chiur Tama Churja, Gunjo Jazum, Bandela, Mujian temperature, Nenga, Yalanga, Salatu, which has on the Chito Keche. Gindungi table about the Gelon Nawata Bumado, Shen Segom Jor Ligne, La Soba, Chiminium Chosheba Shindo Keche, Donna Zumbada Lege, Shoto Cubanam Guinea, Chanju Samba, the Dojiti and Duala Jebi, Mando Mergise, Raudo Shumu, Wambu Shindo Tulbo Tagiga, Derimeba Zamshi, Milumna, Tarba Tobe, Tabi maybe, Dinamla Lalen Chitip Chegu. Migay and Rangochebe Gavimbe, Rangirana, Tujirin Zangovan Dogo. Dagini, Jindashi Samjan, Dizamshile, Tamaniji, Yile Shegu Mindubi, Shegu and Mindubi, Rana Kanshaki, Hama Member, Den.
When you go for alms, never be separate from impermanence, suffering, emptiness, selflessness, bodhicitta, devotion, and the four immeasurables. Whether you are surrounded by a crowd or in solitude, you must keep the boundaries and posture of the body, the silence and supplication of speech, and the devotion and revulsion of the mind as the foundation, and then have the fortitude about everything up to the meditation belt and meditation stick. This alone is important. Scholars all say that scripture and logic are for developing qualities, it is said, but the alternative is to supplicate. So divide the night into 8 sessions, and for all of them except one, supplicate continuously until it becomes sharp, swift, shaking, trembling, and unbearable. You cannot think, you have no idea what to do, and no idea what is best. When the signal is given for the Sangha to assemble, those who live in communities should gather in one place. Wear the 3 Dharma roads wrapped around, drape the upper robe over one shoulder, and then stand up straight. Join your palms above your crown and remember the qualities of the precious, glorious Lama, the essence of the ocean of jewels. Prostrate with the 5 points touching the ground. This alone is important. Other than the Sangha's cooks or bhikshus who are ill, it is extremely important for everyone else to have the contentment of not thinking anything about whether the food, drink, or cooking is good, bad, or anything else. In brief, Those who have the supreme diligence in karmic fortune practice the Vinaya of the Bodhisattvas and the Vajrayana, so I do not have much to say. Even for those monastics with extremely dull faculties, if they do not train in at least what I have said here, there is no method at all for them to achieve liberation. So they must do everything they can to put this into practice. The time to use your own head is now, so you must take care of yourselves with compassion. No matter how hard I think, I have not found any method other than this, and nothing else has come to mind. Thus I have taught whatever words occurred to me without leaving any out.
Meba. Nyen ke me ya misu changbu lu. Nyomo ki nyu dongye rab gebe. Nga ge tingden namlan disebe. Yu gyu mebe cheba kyongwa ta. Ge yu doji changge terim na. Sangge nyenpa chenpo chawa ta. Ma ge chije due tam chewa na. Rujik drube che do gende ngo. Mugu gi genzen yowa mebar. Shenlo yin lo. Gondu ge we do baror chuji. Jebe jeyi shoser mar chawandi. Jizumi yu doji jawa. Wo.
A few words. Though there is no one to listen, I could not bear it. I offer this song of a beggar to the prideful and arrogant, crazed by the afflictions whose suffering increases, so that they behave without deceit. I dedicate this virtue to the one in the ranks of the Kagyu Vajradharas named the great Sanjay Nyempa, and so that my former mothers who do not know what to do may achieve the state of one taste. May the banner of devotion never waver, and may the jewel of revulsion blaze with the light of what is needed and wanted.
Da dindrelbji chezan di miyulus di ga zo zo nge khasa shu na jin di zo da rab du chungwa di na na yang ji ga jue rab du chungwa da di samden ba duba nyam le chenge da de zo le ya gong ne song yi bare.
Now, as I said the other day, these instructions are primarily given for monastics. And among monastics, they are primarily given for those who do the practice, who devote themselves to practice and accomplishment.
제자다 다리 가수에다 디 다리 다야 쉐디 가주디 가서 우망우만의 야게래야지 교류하래. 야게를 지금 아주 냠도지 교제다 야부 슈다지 땅도요 말 차상하지 야부 중도요 말에 가르에서나 니측디 가시 차고 싶으여장 된다딜이야 구규망고에 대한 게 가르지 땡땡으로 가르이나 선바르지 땡땡으로 가르지 샤고 이나 선바르지 여장 디 야게 도는 것만 지 교사들 디 젤이야 아주 네 데비드 가마춘베네 아니 인지 토리아 규르드 제브레 제자안 다리 다 만지룬드 서마르베 다리기 가주레다 지게 최세샤르 디토리아 안 디돈 마지 대가로 로야 예데비치다 랭게주 사메기 에너지 측등 차망체지 참에 켄도 도브르 총이 민주산에 대 야부시다 총수 선버르지 정도.
So today, here on this last day, these texts that I've been reading from is something that we collaborated to translate into Chinese. Now, actually, we were not able to really polish it very thoroughly. The reason is there are many words in this text that are actually extremely difficult and that can be understood in many different ways. And so we have not really finalized it. But in any case, we did translate it into Chinese. And then later, David Karmachirpal translated it into English, and so it's like all the conditions were just spontaneously present. And so we had this opportunity to do these teachings, and so it seemed like it was best to just read this text straight through. And I feel like the words in here are very clear, and they're things that you can come to understand. And so I feel like this has turned out very well.
다 드네 선이 ngādu chālaya gyabzi chāngul mūchī kāchū nāng yūsarē dā dine chidrū chālaya namgyūn kāchū dā ngē mā jī chūshē chāgī tūzūr tī yēnyuwa liya jī jī na dā lāma chūbar būchī nduyana kārir būchī yunā sāmbar būchī lāma chūbar jī nduyana dā ngā zū dā dī chū shūngi dā nyamdō jī lāma chūbar nduyana kārir būchī yunā sāmbar būchī tēn sōng 지전에다 야부르시 용면로 드네 인두산에 대 참에 도를 샤로나 샤인.
Now, tomorrow afternoon is the last day of Kenshin Tonga Rinpoche's teaching. So I thought that maybe tomorrow afternoon, around the time when my own teaching normally happens, maybe it would be a good idea to recite the offerings to the gurus, the Lama Chupa or Guru Puja. And so it seems that if we could all recite this together, it might work out very well. So maybe this is something that could work, and I'd like you to all keep this in mind.
다조조 디 라마 쳬바체 가르쳐 버다지 조디 라마 쳬바세 두자네 라마 지 투게버 다 드네지 차로 지레 다 라마 투게버리아 지 가르쳐 잡르 주베 쳬바 다 진레베 룽아 가자 룽아 쳬바 머베 아니디 드레인 주사네 타마스 선생이 쳬바스 드리온디 아래 단도나 쳬바 진르지 쳬바이냐 다디지 라마 투게버 지당 대안지 라마 신이의 덴버지미나 라마 신이의 덴버지가 토공 조바이미나 아라주지 최냠는데 소베 샬라야 우용거 디용베 견전 가라사나 라마 신이의 덴버디 에네 투게야디 아주 최대 준비 자와지 제비미나 라마 신이의 덴버 투게레 최대 준비 자와지 제비면 투게가 얼마나 제자 라마 신이의 덴버지 투게베 게바티 코랑기 아주 최대 준비 자와 상부 최대 준비 자와 상부지 루베 따임을 제자 디균전 되네 에너지 라마 천딩게 라마 투게바사디 되나 소소 최냠내 상부지 차베 고 가르스레 춘시럽지 민주산에 디균전 된 되게 좀 차디가래 제자 조
Now, the main thing about the offerings to the gurus, the Lama Chupa, is that by making offerings to the gurus, it means that we are pleasing the gurus. And when we make offerings and please the gurus, there are three ways we can do it. The best way is by our practice and accomplishment. The middle way is by our actions of body and speech, or the offering of our body and speech. And the lowest is through material offerings. And so, in any case, when we make these offerings, the point is that we are pleasing the Lama. And so, in this way, when we have an authentic teacher, an authentic Lama, and we are fulfilling the aspirations of the Lama, then that means that we are doing the practice of the Dharma well. And so for that reason, when we have an authentic Lama, if we do things that are in accord with the Dharma, then this is something that will please the Lama. But if it is something that does not accord or that does not fit with the Dharma, then it will not please the Dharma. And so in this way, when we have an authentic Lama, if we do and if we do a Dharma activity or a Dharmic activity that fits with the Dharma to please the Lama, and it goes well, then this is a sign that we are, then this is something that will please our Lama, and it is a sign that we are practicing well. And so it is important to do this.
다 데라 rab drube chabas duzan jizu mila reba dabuji chinjinge lama yebyung la chinena khorta maji ye drube chaba gyundu bu drumje ye rola pember shows da ngone chena mila reba da tena dodo di sanjing chaba pya mesta gong chang bor ji ba kona di bua pyu mani ne be nyang ba wang yun pyu mani ne wang shu ga de za wang yun ki shu so wang yun pyu mani ne an kong ku le kha ba chong ba je za kong ga sanjing chaba pya ya ma ina da drube chaba korang ga kuzi shi bu le ya be drube gen zin zin ba nang ne tin je da drube chaba di tu da ba gyun do ane ji lama ye yung la chaba bi yin de chaba pi wa de ne de jumje ge ne zhuo si bi tam je le ya be da wo shuo ji si de je ge be ka shu tong mian zai ba na xin da drube chaba si da drube chaba pi si du za ne chun je ro di ya shu zu mi le da ba ji me da de ne jing lu nga ga sha da si du za ne da yin ya di ya rab dan jing da sa de ji dang ge ma ji re ma da ya cham cham jing lunga ga chaba di chebe rabdu kyuba dinde yang ya ra drube chaba di ta kanda lama de gar tu ge go na da de be chebe rabdu ji de me da ma do be jidang a ju ma nam sha ru chi du sa ne rab drube chaba jing lunga ga chaba ta ma ane san sing chaba sa ru ji nam sha ru chi du de chi ga de yin bi ne ya ta ji do lunga ga chaba ina de gar sa de chaba jing yin be nge ba ge yu sa ma chaba chodo gyuba gyubi negabji yaare bena jizun baromba chimbe baromba tamawan jogi je gambo bala lo dungi pado luda chima shindo drone kui rimjun zane chu tsiji gyama nyemba ine ya ane chage chimbe doba gyule geso dadine indusane dade jing lunga ga chaba chaba la dene chaba chodo gyuba gyubi negabji yongde
With the best offering, the offering of practice, then the greatest example of this is like Milarepa, who spent his entire life devoting himself to practice. Actually, Milarepa had absolutely nothing material to offer. He was beggar. He was poor, and so he had great difficulties. There are all the stories of him not being able to get the offerings in order to give to attend an empowerment, and so not being able to take it, having great difficulties because of this. And so he had nothing material at all. But he made the offering of practice, and he made his entire life so that he was able to raise the victory banner of practice. And this was an offering to his Lama, and through this he was able to achieve the great result. And he dedicated or made the aspiration that this result would bring great benefit to all sentient beings. And so that is the type of offering, the superior offering of practice. And so that the best example of this is Milarepa. And then the middle type of offering is the offering of body and speech. But actually, you can't necessarily say that it necessarily is just the middling type of offering. There are actually occasions when the offerings of body and speech are actually the best offerings that you can give. Really, it's the offerings that please the Lama that are the best offerings that we can make. And so when we make the presentation of this, of course, the presentation says that the best offering is the offering of practice, the middle offering, the offering of body and speech, the least offering, the offering of, or the material offerings. But there are times but you cannot say that 100% of the time that the offerings of body and speech are not the best, because there are times when they are the best offerings. For example, there was Barum Dharma Wangchuk, who spent 7 years serving Gampopa, never separated from him like a body in its shadow. And during that time, he did not receive even a single word of a Dharma teaching, and yet he developed realization within his being. And so this is an instance where the middling offering of the body and speech actually became the greatest offering.
That's something you cheva said, Chunjero Karshad. That's something you cheva said. That's something you cheva. Oh, that is Kalakabritoa. That's in a pension of the Chotatan in Drigi, you might have the pension of the Shasho Mero. Ben and Debe sang it the day. Casual. 당부 전주조도 도계에 내걸이야. 에너지 뼈간지 표현에 전주조도 도계. 상계에 전주선비 셈계에 대한으로 차대야. 진짜 용대야래. 다가나지 최계 양의 매기다 꾸이경 맞으려네. 상계 고랑 부구 춘주는 인대베 걸이야. 부구 춘주체. 디걸이야. 안 상계 주패 뉴스안에 그래. 상계에 에너 신나게 비하여 말스. 고랑 부대다 고란 초보지어스 디니리아 고란 텔레잼 텔라든데 잼즈리아 제가 나 텔라데 고란 칸반도 스웨니 스토리지 너버 스웨시서 다 텔라 동시에 감피샤다 다 티샤마도 시다 비하면서 디 에네 고란 마음발라 최예버 냥에메 버려 쿠베 진짜가 로주시데야 다 간다 디조에 지잖아 다 간다 성승이 최바 이미네야 다 고야 최바 라브든 드로베 내가 여러분들이 연습을 단도나 쳐봐 되게 상물로 랑거 소수에 로이 제네 아다 라마란들이 피는디 양셔리 쳐반디 양셔리 삼네 소수 로이 제네 피워 많이 봐 천대기 라마 담바 가나 계기여버디 소수 하고 제제 진짜게 투 강계버디 쳐봐 피도 이미나 아니 가르에 다디 쉐도 tumbal야 주요 마도야 수수가 안상 로여르 제제 아다 주비쇼 표이 나미지지 주바지압디 제제 수수바타르 제제 디제 바지 간르지나서 제장 디지레션 블라블라블라 No, it's okay. I don't know how to say it. Maybe you just...
It's difficult to find examples of the material offerings becoming the greatest of offerings. But if we think about it, maybe an example that maybe it's not entirely accurate, but there's the example of in the past the Buddha making offerings, making an offering of just so making an offering of incense to the Buddha, and this being
single incense.
A single stick of incense to the Buddha, and this being a great offering. Or maybe another example would be of the Dharma king Ashoka, who in a previous lifetime was
during the Buddha's time.
During the Buddha's time, he had taken birth during the Buddha's time, and he was a young child. And he made an offering to the Buddha. He had really actually nothing to give. The Buddha came by, and he had been playing with some friends in the dirt. And so he and his friend gathered up a bunch of dirt together, and they put it in the Buddha's begging bowl. And this was their offering. And the result of this material offering was that in the future he was born as the Dharma king Ashoka. And so these are examples of material offerings. But of course, it is quite possible that there would be times that a material offering would be the greatest type of offering that you give. In any case, when we give an offering, the offering shouldn't be one where we think to ourselves, oh, this is the one that the Lama is going to like best, so I'm going to spend my entire life in retreat, or I'm going to do this or that. That's not what we should do. Instead, we should learn what it is actually going to please the Lama. And then if we make that sort of an offering, then that is the kind of offering that really is in accord with the Dharma and that fits with the Dharma.
다원아 ngā zu ji lū rōng zhū de jeba bē lāma lā bē chūpa pū sā rō. Gyāwā sā de jeba lē yā chūpa pū sā di pū gō yum sāng khā rā. Khā shē di, dā nā shī mī khā shē di lē sām sā rā di ngā di. Ngē dā lū ngā yī sū pū shā dā ngē rā wā lā rō rō. Di individual khā sō rā. Privacy sā rā individual khā sā. Rō mī top dāng dāng. Individual privacy da khara di dizo freedom da dizo la ro da de jana yang da de uma ina de do sta tyurem ni zhe ji ba la de ga zhe da dizo samaro di yo sigro ngarang ge de je nyu de ji de skala khabo no do samaro ji de nyu da yin be ne ngarang tin ji le ya samaro ji de ko so da de khara sana 아주지 도슬람 드미도 semjen 탐제리야다 아주 갈디스다 갈디 기시 미질이야 semjen 탐제레베 펜 동도이기 삼바베 쮸마마이 바지여지 아 답스 나랑게 루젠디기다 다가 룽아 이즘 semjen 탐제라 펜지 토나 찌마로냐 바로 다 딘디지기베 왜 로 동수 잡으를 지여버지 이메네야 당에 간제지 전에 심지어 탐제 벤도에 하고 말다 간제지 전 다제 제산디 아니 당에 룽아 예숨디 가르스레데 자와세데 제바 라마레 퓨인 자와세데 제바 라마 남기 심지어 강라 강기 편바당 다나 신기 에네 장게지 심지어 탐제라 지들 펜 토버는 유비 니즈르 차장 공구예베 인상 디 균전데네 에너지 가수에 에너비 가수다 베나 다디 베순 베어다지 공구예베 인상 디 공바 치신도 아니 가수에다지 수수lunga 이송기 에너 심지어 탐제래야 펜 토버는 유버지 요시 용아 쇼 삼럽지 다대한 베나 소소레베 ser dodo chimbu jiyebi imina ser dodo chimbu jiyebi imina ser dodo chimbu shibji za chimbu yebde ha고 orda dan de peju shibji 당고 sonina peju gar 당고 yish다 ha고 mundu peju gar 당고 하마고 뒤 에너지 ser so kebar지 ser ge so kebar지 dinijili yago 제지 근데 다 간다 코라처럼 가르 소고 오는 베 야다 주지 베 가르소베 코란 린다 예번은 신지기 교랑 같이 배주 야고 땅 집에 sobda yabu suya sharo chislam na ta seso kheba digi ene kobe riborab tanche kobe sertel gyuchene kandar ngobo zidu dyamba jidang ngobo shi karshore shindune karshorda pento yebar ji dinji sogorba 다나 신기 ngaransu 다들 지 심제 탐제라 펜 통도 기사번에 예 지더 펜 다겨봐야 맛이 에네 간지지 chen pen 심제 탐제를 pen게 유에당 안에 심제 탐제 누구 유사로 딘제게 당 아들 가르슈에 참 맛이 내고리야 라마 야와서도 제발이야 소소다 룽아 예수님이야 퓨샤 고난주기 일단 소소 첩을 제제 아니 시제 아니 배주나로 지사로지 단 도나 되라 아주 심제 탐제라 pen 소소 삼바는 신지기 심제 탐제라 pen 토브는 교야지 다 딘지지 용화가 셔도 가서 룽아 예수 나만 구조숨을 필요사 좀 전에 다 딘지지 임베다 엠비냐 다 딘지지 기다리나
So it's sometimes said that we need to offer our bodies and all our possessions to the lamas and to the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas. And so why is this said? Sometimes when we think about it, we think, oh, I've given my body, if I give my body in speech to the Buddhas and the Lama, then I'm not going to have any control. I'm not going to have any privacy or rights or any freedom to do anything. I'm going to lose everything. And so maybe it's like that now in this 21st century. But it's something we have to think about. Maybe it's actually difficult to do that, but sometimes, once I had the thought that maybe it's actually like this. Maybe if there were someone who wanted to bring benefit, to use their body, speech, and mind to bring benefit to all sentient beings. They have this really strong motivation to benefit all sentient beings, but they don't really know how it is that they can use their body, speech, and mind to benefit the sentient beings. And so, because they do not know what is going to benefit, then they think to themselves, okay, I'm going to give my body, speech, and mind to the Buddhas, to the Bodhisattvas, and to the Lamas. I'm offering it to them, and then they will know what is the best way to help sentient beings. They will know how it is that that my body and speech can be used to help sentient beings. And so in this way, it's like using it as an example, a way to be able to fulfill their intentions. And so in this way, we can use our body, speech, and mind in a way that brings benefit to sentient beings. For example, if we have a big piece of gold, a large hunk of gold, and we know it's valuable, we know, and it's valuable, and we know it's valuable, we want to put it to good use, but we don't know how to make anything that's going to make good use of it. So since we ourselves do not know how to make anything that will be useful, we call a skilled goldsmith. And we consult with this goldsmith about what can be made that will be useful, what can we do that will do it. And we say to him, okay, you take this, you use it properly, and make something nice and useful out of it. And then the goldsmith will take the gold, they'll think carefully about it, and then they'll use that gold as the material from which they fashion something that is really beautiful and really useful. And so in the same way, we have this intention that we are going to bring benefit to sentient beings, but we do not know how it is that we're going to do that. We don't really know what is going to be beneficial or harm. And so for that reason, we offer ourselves to the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas and the Lama. And we say to them, please use my body, speech, and mind as you will. And so in this way, actually what we're doing is we're offering in order that we will be able to accomplish the benefit for sentient beings that we wish to accomplish, we offer our body, speech, and mind to the Lamas and the Three Jewels.
The point of direction or sort of make a suggestion. So lunga yisun gone subject to chi. Cheza tuen chitang sing mindu. Cheza ke ba da lamdön senen randu. Yana be point of direction. Ke karten ba nan sing aran ru yin sa ru chi. Ti chole lunga yisum de deng yin sa ru chi. Da de ne jimra. Da de cheza di yunse de ne chi sa me da ne ru jimra.
So the main thing is that they're giving us guidance. They're pointing us in the right direction. We don't know what direction we need to go in, and so we're saying to the Lama, you know which direction, and so you point the direction, and then I will go in that direction. I will send my body, speech, and mind in that direction. And so the main thing is that it is giving us direction and showing us the path.
야, 다 드네 뉴스한 단도나 대야 아니 다 지당기 가수에 다 망보지 시아스 게임도 다 지당기디 로엔고 뭐 지금버셔보 지금 송경기 시세 시제기 상계기 자와셔봐 인스 드리소다 시제를 시제기 상계기 자와셔봐 인스 다들 가르쳐 버서나 시제를 예배 최 탐지기 상계기 자와셔봐 상계기 잡아 상계기 잡아 인스 다 상계기 내가 지금 알았어 제장 가르쳐야다 오늘 제비입니다 아주 최 냠내 남아 챙겨를 지미나 타파지 지 능시 베자르 샤르스네 라도 야메나지 능시 라마르 차르스네 라도 따텔레 베디 베 사모시에는 베미히야 유기레 다이미냐 답데브르 셰샤비미나 단도나 능시 취엔다 탐지기 나솔리야베 응어던 규네 가르레데 지 가르레 천샤도 가르레 응어던 규네 나솔리야지 최기 남자 망고지 된 거예요 그렇지 배나 야르다 구응기 윤도디 미냐 나솔리야 미다베 전신 된 거요 아래 텔라 소바당 땅가나 도나지 나란츠기 수수기 에네다 라메 맹아 여버체 다가는 신 퇴삼기 시럽 여버체 딘지지게 베 맹아의 시럽 송제게 관에 다 가서 남주 이미를 단지직 다연주산에 에너지 탐지베지 베저 차르스는 다도 당나를 차르스는 다도 단다나 도나 탐지지 수수기 가들 지 최주베 지 튠베 겐당 초당 에너지 가르에 람레야 차르투야 지 요베이메레 드린두산 디균셀 데네 다 조조디 간다랑 안줄이안들지 라메 맹아과데 개점브레샤 다가는 신베지 퇴상기 퇴상 검송기 베다 간다라 퇴상기 시럽고야 다가는 신 간다지 양내 양도 다 건배다 냠용으로 거야 다 되서 개점브레샤 다 들이 충분 의미나 안된데지 소소 의미냐 에너지 최소 토네 림베지 야겐 드라이 데베시당 다는 신디 소소리 야게 침바디 툴레데네 소소이기 다 초보세난다도 소소단 제요 미티소리 의미냐 아니 된단 데베지 펜버로 주투야 용거레삼베 이시심부여 지대 숨고 상겐 시절 시절이 상겐 차와체 that it is gala all of phenomena they will do walk Buddha
Okay.
something like that
And so
Buddha's job or something.
there are many things that we could say. There are many things that we could say, but it says the great protector of beings, the Jikung Jikten Sumgon, said that basically all phenomena perform the activity of the Buddha. So all of the things, all of the phenomena are like they're ways that the activity of the Buddha manifests. And so actually, it's like when we do our practice, often it's said that taking all that appears and exists as texts, or taking all that appears and exists as our lamas. And when we think about that, of course, there are many different levels we can talk about this. There are some very profound levels that we can talk about this. But on an easy way of thinking about it, when we think about everything that appears and exists, then either directly or indirectly, it teaches us about the nature of things. When we think about the seasons of summer and winter and so forth, these teach us the nature of impermanence and so forth. And so in this way, if we have the instructions, the key instructions from the Lama, if we have the wisdom of listening and contemplating, and then we take this wisdom and the instructions and we meditate upon them in union, then this is the way that we can really come to see how the nature of things, and everything then becomes like something that teaches us. It gives us an example, or it represents something to us. And so in this way, all different phenomena become something that is like a condition that supports our practice, or it becomes an aid in a practice. It becomes the path of our practice. And so for that to happen, the main thing we need to have the instructions from the Lama. It's important to have the instructions from the Lama. We need to have the wisdom that arises from the listening and contemplating. And then we need to meditate upon these over and over again, develop the experience. And so when we the main thing, when we have that, then we can use our own intelligence to discern how things actually are. And in that way, we can increase this and improve ourselves. And then we can bring benefit to ourselves, and we can also benefit our friends and all those who are connected to us. And I truly believe that this is how it can happen.
다 당기 이게 라마 쳐봐 쉬고야 돼. 조조디 잡지 청구를 치 나다 이제 공로 첨부를 패대요. 알아 다 인비네 당동 무되는지 때마다 저에 된도 지쇼도 바당. 엔디 슈베게 지 카슈에 차연된 아주지 로마츠 참여원에 지 반델라마지 투게베 자와 탐제베 투게베 자와 주베체제 진짜 돈에 에네베 가수에 예신도 지 인정빌린이야 모티니 지 초시셰도 바로 다 진짜 용아체도 미네 쇼여 다대야 쇼가 юм즈지 가나를 투도야 다 퍼스널 가르에서나 땅 알아야지 가수에다지 까만베 민르브지 알아요 다 드린 유산에 까만베다 롤스 말베지 play role kamaba sumar daji kamambe chawar chego the kamambe ji zabakyang chawa chesa de not a joke that is them za jim rem do de lela kala khabu shibchi gyön den bebe khashwe gyön 탐지에 den 소수 기호지 gyön 군세 상계 자와지야 kala khabu shib 다 디잔디 그 오늘 셰비나 it's 가스로다지 깔아하고 싶으시샤 다 임비네야 조데 베나지 당와에 잡지 땡가를 무지다 버지다 공공모 조사다 잡지 정거를 무지다 보다 근데지 소수 틸리아 가스로에 베지 가스로다 ngwenda kyabdo chi ni jeba le tene ta so so yin ne imne ta chi jena ma jena chi chigurun do sambar chi ni jawar chi yondi ta kisi be digidi be chi karjure be ja ye ban xin ene ribe xin do re xin do zo so na ene sanyi de sa ta nga chi bo be chome kha yan ru chi la chi ka le kha bu ji yondi ya ye be la ba do nga ra yin de lo chu ju ru ji ade yin du sa da na xin da lots of problem 다 뉴욕저 망고 싶지 나로래야베 여베 인두산에 디준센 데네 땅아라 퍼스널 톤 셰비네 깔아가고 싶지 않아요 그렇지 디니두산 디준센 데네 아니 소소 개경면에 임비냐 좀 집에 모두는 지 초시시에네 쇼과디 그거 준센 첨부르지 돈디 요래 디니두산 디준센 데네 아니 다치선이 라마 쳐버려 그래서 디지에네 아무면도 something chance 다 담아데 오케이
Now, I spoke a few moments ago about doing the Lama Chupa, the offerings to the gurus. And the main point here is that our Lord of Refuge, Trungpa Rinpoche, is now in his old age, but he is still present. And so the main idea is that hopefully he can remain and continue to bring benefit to the teachings and the beings. And so in this way, by doing this puja, we can please the Lama and ask him so that he can remain and do this. And by pleasing him, then he will be able to stay for a long life. And so that is the prayer, that is the aim of doing this. And I also have personal reasons for asking, for doing this. ever since I have the name of the Karmapa, and so I need to fulfill the role of the karma and do the activity of a Karmapa. But performing the activity of a Karmapa is no joke. It is not easy. It is extremely difficult to do. In particular, it is extremely difficult for an ordinary being who has all of the faults in his being to be able to try to perform the activities of Buddhas who have removed all of their faults. This is extremely difficult. And so in the past there was also Kyabje Tenga Rinpoche, but he has passed into nirvana. And now Kenshin Tranga Rinpoche is still here, but if we do not do anything about it, then there's the danger that they will all pass away and there will be none of them left. Now, my hope is that whether or not this works, that it will be able to help Rinpoche live a long time. And so I am still young, but although I'm still young, I am surrounded by many difficulties and many problems. Personally, my life is very difficult, and so for that reason, for these reasons of my own, I would like to make this offering to Rinpoche so that he may continue to live for a long time. And so for that reason, I think it would be good to do the offerings to the gurus tomorrow.
That ni tamadliya thari kashweji ji kashwe chöshe ra cha gogab chumde sosura ni linya pendor chonsong karesana mishindalia chöshe ba de tunyamdo sosura yimnya ji semla guja ra bo yana semla sendebro ji yongdido 세상 오늘 채비나 기란소로 펜토에 미하모 나라는 펜토 총송 드린두산에 다 드린두산에 데스 가르에다 selfish 란데기 삼tam비나 다 나란 디소삼바르 총송 다 간다야 기란소들이데 미세 가르에 뒤주 다나스데 페브들이야 나랑 원이냐 제수이란당 가르에 가와퓨에 that dana singi mimangbuji live webcast somar that is see ne mimangbuji mus de mebchen ji yegum damidriya yede be council iminia dana singi tuche da gadin shishai tuche.
So we have had this opportunity for these Dharma teachings, and for myself, I feel like they have been very beneficial. Because when you teach Dharma to others, then it sort of encourages you and inspires you yourself. So I don't know whether or not this has been beneficial for you, but it has been beneficial for me. And so from my own selfish perspective, I can say that it's worked out pretty well. But you all have been coming here, you have been coming to the teachings, and I really rejoice. I'm very glad and happy that you have been coming to these teachings. And in addition, there are many people who have been watching these teachings over the live webcast. And so you haven't been able to come, but there are many people in different countries you've been watching and taking great interest, and I'd like to thank all of you very much as well.
Chege ina malu ba damje yawa da ge gawa me de da nga ba mi se kya so na yang ge yan la ya su ya wa gun ge yuen de ra ju jen de wu ra shi ba dam je da me do dam ba chen wa dam ba da si nye nam da chu be ma me jo dam do be dam ba ye ya wa de da la ne che ba ye shu chi mi bu ma ri ra nyam ba da ge ba ge ba ba be cho ge ye ya wa de da la ne che ba ye shu la me kya che wa de da ye wa nam je la ya mu sam bo che la de be do da ge ya wa gu la chan ze di mo wang ge ne lu da nga da di xin ye ye yang di ba da ge yi ba ji je ba de da nam je da ge sang ge se rang ge nam da lo da me lo da zhuo wa gun ge sun na ga la yang de da gun ge je zhuo ka na chu xu ji dian zhen ma da zhen zhu ren ba sang ge ma zhe nian gong bo de da da ge ho lo la na me ba gong wa gu nyang ye de duen gan xie de da lang zhou wa gu la be xie ge ba xin ge du ni shu ba yang da ge tan mo rab zhi ri su chang zhe wa da xu jin xia ba da jie su ye rang gu ge wa chu se da ge ji za ba ta manu ba la yan ben zir sa do de men ba wa zu do ga yu men ba wa zu bo ga yu men ba wa anu ra do men ba wa sa wa zi de me bra ya da sa wa su za me zi dam shi re ya gu ru hong ha 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 bhagavan sa wa da tha ga da vajra ma Vajra Bhava Mahasamaya Sadhu Bhumi Aum She Namrata Bhavan Jese Yesa Om Benzari Ke Aum Chijare Kuyuge Rave Yonsu Kove Re Gebo Rivo Chara Chara Lubabo Lon Zambo Lo Balaje Chara Menye Rinpo che re wo pasam ge shen de jo ye pa ma me ba ye kolo rinpo che nampo rinpo che lumpo rinpo che lampo rinpo che danjo rinpo che mampo rinpo che tere chenpo ye ki mo ma jo ma lo ma kara ma me do ma dube ma nasa ma jija ma Boje tu jole nambra geve geze vizorada pejo kuzun zova mazan ba lüye chale de ba nambra gada dinye zame panda chimo dan gomba yerma je ba bande lama tamba lüye le do sene Chile doje zala jole nambra geve bela samböse Rinde çöge düzü samo töbra töbe Dujin dara ki bövara ki o duje röve dünü Şene cin Oh Mandala Gandhi. 사용 매전 조시 제바랑 케브라 데나 세베다 강진 존들의 뉴제리다다 뉴도 시신 세네 점규르지 메단 미면 조와다 유라 장주 섬조 rum보신 한계 이게네 뉴제 삼주 편준 장배 심당되네 경배유더베 예배게 상계 된바 다게 윤네 조자존 야와 세제데베 콘데게베 자와 강제바 다자 나자 넘브라가메 루유 저절로 개원데 녀월스네 심제 남게 주숨 사바에 사제 삼에 소주게와 라메 장주 점브로 게르윈 담제 게바도브라 쉐 장주 선게 옌그로도 다소 심제 담제 뒤송 사당 토바에 주주 심제 마르바 공아 뉴르도 쇼 상게 구숨 예베 신라다 춘예 민규르 데베 신라다 겐데 메신 데베 셰다랑 루바유 조게 타예 조와 그나베 군도 상베 예베 중도 내게 손내나 동버르 semjo rinpo je ma Adi, oh, take it, come.